lining of the small intestine. Now the small intestine has 2 layers of muscle. The large intestine has 3 layers of muscle. On the small intestine you have the longitudinal and the circular, no oblique. Now, from the outside of the stomach, and it's the same with the outside of the small intestine, it starts with the serosa and inside ends with the mucosa. Everything between in this wall is this: serosa, 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 and serosa. Then we have the muscularis, longitudinal and circular. You have the submucosal layer here and the mucosa. 4 regions: serosa, muscularis, submucosa, and mucosa. Now let's look at some of the structures in the mucosa. Now this is where food would be for final digestion and absorption. So these tan or orange, whatever color these cells are, what color? Anybody?
Tan.
Tan. These tan cells here are called columnar epithelium. All of them are columnar epithelium. The blue ones are the goblet cells, mucus-secreting cells. Blue goblet, tan columnar epithelium, and they are attached by what looks like a gray layer here called the lamina propria. Holds the epithelium at the basement membrane in place. Inside these villi, these are the villi, this green structure is called a central lacteal. Fats too large to be absorbed by the blood vessels are absorbed by the lacteal. Here is a arterial side of a capillary. This is the venule side, and this is where they are joined together in anastomosis. Then we have the lymphatic follicle, Peyer's patch. This is a lymph follicle, lymphocytes. You have the gastric, or in this particular case, intestinal pits. Intestinal pit, it's just a pit. And then deep to the intestinal pit is the intestinal gland, or crypt. Inside here you'll see this red color. That is a Penneth cell. On your sheet, what do Penneth cells produce? Defensins. Okay? Then we have the submucosa and the submucosal plexus in yellow. All the nerves are in yellow. All the nerves are in yellow. Yellow. And we have the myenteric plexus. Did I say it too many times? Also in yellow, sorry. All right, serosa, muscularis, submucosa, mucosa, columnar epithelium, mucus cells, lamina propria, lacteal, lymph follicle, Brunner's gland, mucus-secreting Brunner's gland here. And do I have muscular mucosa on the sheet? Right here?
Yeah.
And that's it. Can I move on?